I'm Donna Kallner. Welcome to CrossNet Looping, the eCourse. This is Lesson 1. CrossNet looping is part of a large and diverse family of looping techniques. If you've taken the New Age Looping Basics eCourse or one of my other looping workshops, you'll see that CrossNet is basically a variation on needle entry orientation. It's pretty simple to learn, but the more you learn, the more you'll discover you can do with CrossNet looping. The first lesson includes video demonstrations of CrossNet looping for both right-handed and left-handed stitchers, a demonstration on the spit splicing method of adding on thread when you're working with wool yarns, a video that shows a sample project using CrossNet looping to create a rim on a wool felt container, and a video that shows how to work in the round from an oval needle chain base. In Lesson 2, you'll learn how to use increases and decreases for shaping, how to work a round base, and how to use CrossNet looping as an edging. You'll also see some sample project suggestions, and you'll start making design decisions an intentional part of your project planning process. In Lesson 3, you'll learn to work flat panels in CrossNet looping. You'll explore texture variations. You'll see more sample project suggestions, and we'll continue working to increase your skills as a designer in this technique. In the second half of the course, we'll work to build on the strong foundation you're going to start building right now. So let's get started.